Welcome, my dear students. So, today we are going to start with Standard 5th, second chapter, that is Daydream. With the picture, you can understand the dreams are of two types, the dream which we see at night and the dream which we see with the open eyes. See, children, daydream is when your mind wanders. Wander means to roam, and your attention shift from the present situation to a completely different one. That is called as daydream. That means I want to tell you daydream means which we just think with the open eyes. Okay? But it is very hard to make it true. Let us start with very interesting story of a greedy man and woman. Once there lived a couple who spent a lot of time in idle talk. Idle means useless talk. One day the husband said, I have always wanted to keep cows. If by chance I get some extra money from somewhere, I am going to buy a few cows. Here the husband is thinking to buy a cow, and let us see what all thing he thinks. So now he has already thought of buying a cow. But that means a lot of work. You have to feed the cows, walk them, bath them, milk them. Cows need a lot of looking after. One cow would be enough. There's no need to buy more cows, said the wife. See now, again, the husband was doing the daydream. Now the wife is also the same. Means the husband wife both are same. They are just dreaming. This is not in the real sense. See here, the picture itself depicts that they have already thought of buying so many of cows, and with the cows they will get so much of milk. With milk they will get the dahi, the curds, and lot many things they will get. So such type of husband and wife they are, just dreaming. But think of all the milk we will get if we buy more, said the husband. That's true, the wife agreed. There will be so much milk that we can even have plenty of dahi and butter and ghee. Wouldn't it be lovely? See now, children, the husband and wife both have just thought to buy one cow. With one cow, they will get so much of milk. So, if we buy so many of cows, we will get more and more of milk, dahi, butter. See, so much greediness of husband and wife. See, the picture depicts milk, dahi, butter, ghee. Such greedy people they are. Now here, the wife is so happy to get so much of milk, butter, ghee, and she is thinking in the another sense that with so much of milk, dahi, ghee, what all things she will do. Let us read. Send milk to your sister. Who said you could send milk to your sister? There will be plenty of milk. If we have so many cows, why shouldn't I send it to my sister? Because we are going to sell it in the market. That's why. Here, the wife is thinking of giving the milk, sharing it with her sister. But the husband is so greedy that he don't want to share it with anybody. He want to sell the milk and he want to become rich and rich and rich. By sitting, both of them, they are just daydreaming, and in the dream they are thinking of becoming rich and rich. Here, the husband is saying to a wife, I will decide what to do with all that milk, and not a drop of it goes to your sister. Remember, I will see how you can stop me from sending a pot full of milk to my dear sister. I do all the hard work running after the cow, so naturally, I will decide what happens to the milk. Just try stopping me, the wife exclaimed. Means the wife is shouting to her husband that if you just stop me to give the milk to my sister, then see what I will do to you. I am doing all the hard work behind the cow, so I will definitely give the milk to my sister. I will see who will stop me. Now let us see what the husband answers. Okay, is that so? Shouted the husband. Watch this then. He began to lift and smash the earthen pots one by one. In real sense, the earthen pot was there. No, nothing was there. They are just daydreaming, and in the dream only they are breaking the pots one by one. Okay, the husband is breaking the pots one by one. His wife began to scream. In the dream, the wife is again she is screaming. How foolish this husband wife are. You know, children, all this nonsense was being heard by one man who was standing out and listening all this nonsense of this husband wife. That was who? It was Gopal Bhand. Listen, Gopal Bhan, who was passing by, heard all these commotions and rushed inside. And now we'll see what happened. When he heard what had happened, he picked up a stout stick. Stout stick is a small stick that stood in the corner and began to swish it. Means he just waving the stick from here to there through the air and pound it on the floor. The husband and the wife were both astounded, shocked to see his antic, the unusual behavior. What are you doing? They inquired. Move aside, said Gopal Bhand. Gopal is behaving in the same manner how the husband and wife are behaving. That is the daydream. Okay? I have to drive away your greedy cows. You have let them wander, means to roam, and now they have ruined, destroyed my field of beans and cucumbers. Okay, beans and cucumbers. Oh, my lovely fields of beans and cucumbers. But you don't have a field of beans and cucumber, said the husband. Here, with the picture depicts that now the husband and wife have understood what Gopal wanted to teach them. Okay? Here, children, Gopal was destroying his field of beans and cucumber, which means beans means phalia and cucumber means kira. Okay? As soon as he said that, Gopal Bhan stopped wielding the stick and looked at him with raised eyebrows. The husband and the wife understood what he was trying to tell them. Can you tell what he wanted to say? We all know, children, that Gopal just wanted to teach them that they both are sitting in one table and daydreaming, talking all nonsense, which is not happening in the real sense. Just to teach them a lesson, he came inside and he was doing all nonsense things to teach them that they are just daydreaming. We shall step out and we shall do the dreams in the real sense by doing the hard work. By sitting in one place, we cannot do the things come true. Okay? So this was the teaching given by Gopal to this husband and wife. What kind of husband and wife? Greedy husband wife. Let us start with the notes of English daydream lesson. That is, I have started giving you the meanings. Just go through it. Next is write the answers to the following question. First question, what did the husband want to buy? Cows. What plan did the wife makes? She makes plenty of things. I have explained you. Next is, what did the husband want to do with the extra milk? Okay. So I have explained you everything. Go through all the questions and see the answers. I have made the answers short for you so that it will be easy for you all to refer the answers. These are the passage phrases which you have to write, which belongs to a and the articles. These are the plurals in which we have to add s or es. Next is the smaller word which is hidden in one word. I have given you the answer, go through it. Last is you have to write your own answer about the daydream. Okay children, if you really like my video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Mom and Daksh.